Hey everybody, we're back for part 2 of this video. So basically what we're going to try to do this time is see if we can actually break this blue motor mount I made. Just to recap, if you haven't watched video number 1, I had some people basically say that they thought that a motor mount I had designed wouldn't be strong enough. Go back and watch video 2. At the end of this, there'll be a link to video number 1. I'm sorry, yeah, this is video 2. You want to go back and watch video 1. So I tried to break this motor mount by throwing a propeller out of balance. And what I did was, when I made these carbon fiber props, the cloth goes wingtip to wingtip. I'm sorry, tip to tip of the propeller. And that way it's always in tension, so you can't throw a blade that way. But they're hollow. When I made these, I made them hollow. And as you can see here, these 3 little dots is where I had drilled holes and put in just a little dab of epoxy to balance the propeller. So that's how I balance these. To throw it out of balance, you drill a hole here and you fill the tip with epoxy and hopefully that throws it out of balance. Well, it didn't. So what I've done is, in my first test, I had one 632 bolt in the end of the tip here, and it vibrated pretty drastically, but it didn't cause a failure. So now I've got 2 more, and this should vibrate catastrophically. So to recap, this is a 4130 blue motor mount I made, and it's held in by these hardened wood screws, which I did take a 4-foot crowbar to try to break the heads off these, and I couldn't. So these are extremely strong. I've had a couple of people say these screws are going to pull out, and they're not. So let's get into testing and see if I can actually get this motor mount to fail. Rock on. everybody, as you can see, it didn't fail. And I don't know what I'm going to do to make it break. So I'm going to have to put more weight, I guess, on the tip. Just so you know, this is a test engine I've used on many, many different test rigs, okay? I have 7 of these Hacker A60-16Ls, okay? And I know 7 of them, you know, it's like $2,000 or $3,000 worth of motors, but I have 7 of these, and this has always been what I call Bernie, my test unit. And I know this is horrible on the bearings. I know it's horrible on the shaft. Please don't do this, because if this prop ever came apart, it would be lethal. You know, I did not get the full throttle on this because I wanted to stay in a certain resonance where I got a lot of vibration. I mean, I could have probably run it at full throttle, but the problem is the centrifugal force on this prop tip then could damage the prop, and then I lose a way to test this. So this was not a full throttle. This was about a 40% run up. I've got a wireless video camera set up, so I'm doing this not inside this room. This is a concrete room. So if the propellers blow up, nobody gets injured. So please don't do this. But I mean, it's not even bending. It's not even cracking the paint. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'll probably add more weight, and we'll see if we can break it next time. Rock on.